Hey, this is Bob 104 Luigi. I know it's late at night. It's almost 2 o'clock a.m. in the morning, but I just want to make a quick video about one of my favorite places. I have not been there since 2003, and that is Ann Arbor Hands-on Museum. And apparently, I don't know what kind of ceiling fan it is, though, but this is from a Google Maps. So if anyone knows, just let me know. Anyway, I think they were at, or they were originally three of the early or mid '80s 48-inch NuTone Proline ceiling fans, but unfortunately they were replaced probably in 2020 or 2021 during the COVID-19 lockdown, as well as the second floor being renovated and all that. And unfortunately, I missed my chance. I unfortunately missed my chance on traveling to Ann Arbor Hands-on Museum to get a video of these NuTone Proline ceiling fans. And I think the museum is reopened though, but I think well, the third floor, however, does have a 36 inch uh, leading edge industrial ceiling fan. But I think that's, but I think it's, but I think the third floor may be, I don't know, off limits or something. I'm not sure. Yeah. So yeah. Once again, these three new Tone Pro line ceiling fans has been replaced with these unknown models. I don't know if they're fan animation, but if anyone knows, please leave a comment below. Oh, and before I forget, here is also another image of the fan on the Google map. I'll show you. Here's the second one. So I believe it's all three of them there. Anyway, and I'm not sure if the leading edge ceiling fan may still be on the third floor of the building, or it may have been either replaced with a different ceiling fan, or they just took it down altogether. And yeah. So yeah. So yeah. Once again, I missed my chance on doing that like years ago because I had no access. I simply had no public transportation access to Ann Arbor. Yeah. Anyway, I gotta go. It's already 2 o'clock a.m. though, so I'm gonna be crashing in pretty soon. So leave a comment below and what do you think? And once again, if anyone knows what kind of ceiling fan this is, just let me know. Alright. This is Bomb 104 Luigi signing off. Peace.